Canadian Hine Agyapong, listen to me very, very carefully. I want you to retract those words and apologize to the people of this nation. I am not a politician, but I am a patriotic citizen of the land. And by the way, when to elephant fight, it is the grass and the trees that suffer. So you have some other nations. You share Liberia, and Sierra Leone. But we are politicians. Political parties, but we are to be now. We are representative of all the police stations. In the year to be available bar, actually 12 hours. Political party bia odo. Dr. Baumia is a dictator man. And so he got to know the result even before the break of dawn. So he knew exactly what he was saying. They were the truth. So to avoid tensions and all that, or by concede defeat. I think that is what every patriotic citizen should do. I rather wanted you to applaud him so that the rest generation coming will learn. So you never be you want to adopt violence, my friend, part to pay to. Because I saw the Ghana put the problem on who be who can't assume your master. The Yagas are paying your member John Dramani Mahama, who be one who brassy, or what Timmer, or your mamba pa, or what dog, or Jimmy in Chamahu. Then another marshal made them here, I'll be them here. Only a session, get my generation to come. So the your mumbo subu. So Mr. Japan, remember winning in the empire free. You have to be role model to the youth coming. Yano Casa, you may be another. Then by your man over your son, you will be out in the family. Yamin come home, no more by. I will talk next time about the false prophets. God bless you.
Abusia can suggest. MPP Judas Ghanaians Agyapong ni poster ya chedo. Ne twa de ya pane hon to mama wa brand ya odasu Ghanaians Agyapong ni poster ya friend Dr. Evans Dia. Na mo be kai a few days ni za kwa we chese ohopi from TV station we no ko TV station we no na radio station A ofiriwa no ko B and komo no de nam nyina ne say oye researcher ono your political research our research ehunu say yekoto abe na majority of MPP delegates ever to Obama Kenya Japan say ye worst case scenario ye best case scenario say ensem bibre and this is not the first time ma'am yes our research and mobile kaya Augustine so similar research at the two just here to Obama Kenya Japan be reading na or then the research and about two janum some of us you point you holes into way. You catch them or say fracadam or near research bia because in some now work no in so now majority of you people are more say more can say for evidence in branene evidence about be pija. Damning evidence near damning. So basically what this quack doctor fake poster ANSM or questioning office no afraid me bunubi no match ransom. No more cookie figures. We are not the above 12 no way chant trust one MPP delegates and a cockasaya. Now a quanya almost so yes, I near my wing na baby daddy through a WhatsApp group chatter a leaky. Now basically papa we Wakoje Canada Japan sika. Ana wa form a WhatsApp group what den crofwe gusu ewu kumase. Now WhatsApp group no that's interesting. You see a 50k army ED 4K 50k army ED 4K na answer na yebeba conversation ni mo no mama ndi code decide no enchira you see every research bia waje Kenya Japan $50,000 inti edi no 50k na asichere no army no meburu na wasese o magu platform o ni mu di juma ne so ana ED 4K no Evans Dua for Ken Evans Dua for Ken inti WhatsApp group ni di no $50,000 army Evans Dua for Ken. Now we share WhatsApp chat now. Apparently what the guy does in NSM Oba no assemble emranti no ma kwatana ne office e wa asokwa ewukumase na ne miracles abuaje beka na jana 1 na jana 2 omo cookie story omo cookie figures omo wi a no mo de aba beto abonten ese MPP delegates ana kasa almost omo beto aba ma Kenya Japan na ye leaky sa WhatsApp group chat na ebi ni mu say fake enye no correct Nti ye ka kire omo say sa mo si enye no kora nipa ne number ne now eda ho no no ye se wo send ne mobile money na ehwe say enye ni din enye Evans dia ni din na beba na MPP for omo penfifi mu ebi try so omo be say no enye mumu emu confirm ye ene na that screen so ehunu say ampa sa number na all group chat ni mu no eye Dr. Evans dia na ne number ankasa na ye dia no betu dwa a nkrofo hu say ampa eye group chat na leak na eye authentic no mo hwe we dissolve group no we yiyi omu nyina we yiyi omu nyina every group di ma enya asange 20 say ya collapse ni 50,000 venture or the free Canada Japan one na you see Canada Japan nya no kwafo or deceiving who, and that is the height of whatever I'm fair on to. But the thing is that you see almost shasi no mu chantrona MPP grassroots nipe Canada Japan and he exposing is no correct. No almost I shasi ana empenufo bebre Canada Japan achi oh events. I erupted at the say and no credit no so near exposium. Now if your mark was shot so for be a tea, no more than control any sebi somewhere and some fata and also no yankopon apom hontoma. Omuwie almost yo ke and as I there yamfa posi mbra na yamfa be DCV MPP for and also no ya exposium enti right now you trend the next strategy. Can I Japan and Crawford or Mube cookie up normal diaba, but we are here to expose him. Dr. Baumia is winning elections in the hands down. You can engage in fake prophecy, you can engage in fake polls, you can engage in a phantom grassroots support, Ghanaian support whatsoever, but it won't change anything. A self-deception, and at the end of the day, you will have egg all over your face. Dr. Baumia is winning hands down, through and through. Mo ye campaign ese yin Dr. Baumia si nchen na yemfo obi from Brana aha sa afọ no oma set a big trap e dey ama the current executives MPP executives polling station electoral area and the constituency executives na mo no muni ani nan nti mu adwene ma so politics wu hia ani nan wu no wahunu ne ekọ ne ne eba but some of us send dey bia meka no ye be guide delegates send we make the right choice in the interest of MPP until we are current executive fit the polling station electoral area kosi constituency ti asem na meka ne very important e be boa wan kasa now you see omo si ento abantia Dr. Baumia no asemu a womo can reason omo de man ne say Dr. Baumia ntimi anwi ni 2024 elections no nti onye winnable candidate yin ni nchen na emfa obi for from bra now you see sa asem na omo ka no mubo muhu musuo na mo fall for that mischief na mo koto abatia Dr. Baumia mo an ebe ha mo because omo di free Dr. Baumia so a omo de ba mo so sa reason na womo de masi ento abantia Dr. Baumia no omo di free Dr. Baumia so a womo de ba mo so aba ye de botachi no ye beje de aboba na se nyensuo ye na sa na awia enso beye mu eduru mo so na mo call for elections current executives wow we polling station executive constituency executive electoral area coordinator our person who kura position mu anase wo kọ wani mo sa afọ no eduru sa time na sa nkrofo ya almost yin Dr. Baumia free one omo ana omo beba the same reason aba say mo the party no free power equal opposition enti yenyi mu free one na free obi for from bra fi say mo you incompetent. That is what they will say. That is the argument they will make. And no net trap or ma set ya mamo na more orphan constituencies mo kra de ma asem emobo more constituencies are na seat in MPP there you lose ye in 2024 mo kra de ma asem emobo kra because mo no campaign o mo be ye tia mo ne say mo enye presidential elections ne nko na mo ye lose ye mo sia ma ya hwiri seat. That is the excuse, that is the argument they will make against you and omo de be hwan mo to akonya nti me sometimes I am who current executives are almost support that candidate na omo ye ne yentu Dr. Baumia yenyi ni mfiri oyemfa obi mbra aya na omo ho ye mesere omu nim se omu sigalo a ye be hange omo ankasa woso omu nim se omu tu amana omo ankasa na ekọ akotom omu nim se omo anu asem no it will be used against them sa ansem na omo ka no Obi a one pair or masem will use the same argument to remove them from their current position in or seat. You see, Dr. Bawumia is your cover. I'm telling you. If say you don't look at the actual fact, say elections now you lose it was apathy caused by Kennedy Agyapong and then Nkrofo. How are incited grassroots ni create apathy, create hatred for Akufo-Addo and Naban and Dr. Bawumia as a person. And I feel so appointees be omone ye ne se ne omone grassroots for ne relate ye obi ti say aboa papo enesto wusu bempa okopa adwuma wono ho age se one wo dansa saa nsem no se mo amhunu se no ne ye melusu ye na mo de kwahye Dr. Bawumia na mo to abatia Dr. Bawumia. You see, saa asem na saa excuse na saa reasons na obi nso de bema abehwan woto akonya e polling station ho e wo electoral area honom any constituency honom nti banyansafo yebunebe yenka nasem wo se Dr. Bawumia me yelusu ya nti koto abetia na after no ye polling station electoral area constituency elections na nkrofo nso the same argument ebeba ba behwan woto akonya ti mu de montra o